What you doing now, Chef Dave?
Chef Dave's trying something crazy. He's trying fried green tomatillos.
Have you ever made those before?
Nope. Have no idea.
And what made you decide you wanted to try this?
I don't know.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Okay. Have you heard about it?
Nope. I just know we had them.
We have?
Yeah, we've had these. I mean, we had the tomatillos. We bought them.
Uh-huh.
I was going to make like a sauce out of them, but I said, let's try them fried.
Like a fried green tomato?
Like a fried green tomato. So I'm slicing it here on the mandolin. And they get a little... There we go.
I don't have any blood clotting stuff here, so...
We're done. There we go. We sliced all that.
And then you just put it in the flour.
Do a couple dips in the flour.
Salt and pepper, anything?
There's salt and pepper in it.
In the eggs?
In the flour.
Oh, okay. Then the egg wash.
A little egg wash.
And then some panko, breadcrumbs.
Get egg wash.
It's panko and breadcrumbs mixture, right?
Yeah.
But
just for the sheer fact that I had more panko than I had breadcrumbs, and I wanted to get rid of the breadcrumbs.
Yeah, you like it to be crunchy too. And then they look like that.
They look like that.
Now, do you think you'll be just eating them like that, or will you have some kind of a sauce, cheese, or anything on it?
Probably put hot sauce on it or something like that.
Okay, here you go.
Frying them up.
Looking pretty good.
Looking like fried green tomatoes.
But it's not.
Fried green Mexican tomatoes.
Tomatillos.
Tomatillos. Okay, here it goes. Karen's trying the fried tomatillo.
Should I put a little hot sauce on it?
I put just a dot.
Okay. Hey! Good!
What does it taste like?
Fried green tomato.
There you go.
With a little lime kick to it.
Little citrus.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah, you were dissing me.
Yeah, it was. I like it with the hot sauce. Some white cheese might be good too. Pretty good.
There you go. Put a little hot sauce on it. Man, that's good. That is good.
Something new.
Mm-hmm. And tomatillos are pretty cheap too.
Yeah.
Mm.
Boy, Dave, you just about wiped all them out.
Can't stop. And they're good with ranch dressing too.
Oh. Mm. All you did was fry those in oil, right?
Yep, vegetable oil, 350 degrees.
Let me try that with the ranch. Ooh, I like that the best.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
You're doing
I really like the ranch.
You're doing that food moan.
Finger looking good.
Finger looking good.
Good job, Dave.
Excellent job, Dave.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.